Hey everyone, this is a quick unboxing. I just got this ASUS Zenbook 14-inch edition with the Ultra 9 285 Intel processor, 32 gigs of RAM soldered in. This is the first time opening it, so you're seeing it with me. It has that bluish green tint. So I'll put this aside. We'll come back to it in a bit. Some warranty information, some cards. Must be something behind here. Oh, that's nice. Comes with a white leather sleeve as well. It's really nice. Let's unbox this. Love the build quality. Really nice. So this is the Evo edition. It has the English and Arabic letters and has that fancy touchpad as well. It's 1.2 kgs. Touchscreen, 3K OLED display. Let's look at the slots. So 2 USB-Cs, Thunderbolt, HDMI, speaker in and out. Another USB. This is the UX3405C. Right? That was it.